TV so and some cost wanting to tell what for Yaw Sarpong. Legend what two new man, Dominankas out and not drink such I bet egu so or what to be able to send fatter and as I will watch it through them pa. Till one Yaw Sarpong now stage and as old your monuma. Now how you na we refinin and as a say young couple be used to papa Yaw Sarpong any two way papa adia jigana mabi efi sebia yuro huone wa jiremu se ne bi hu Kristo yie eye mame Yaa Brefo so no so atena se akasa nana Yaa Brefo so se sebe ne Aunty Naa ye wo ho ne entwa yie kakra because Aunty Naa wo so hu se Yaw Sarpong sebe onya akwala bi sa na se onya obi a woni din ti se sebe nkrasefo na ebetena se de omo nsamba na wo keka kan na ka wo se Yaw Sarpong de ne de anka wo sa anka wo ye ne wo off air send your will be Aunty Naa because to solve problem no behind the back nanka asundre eba nana Yaa Brefo se sebe ya sorry na ya tam yensem e de akoma Aunty Naa so won tafre ho no wodi ho agro sebe ya dwen e wo fom na nyansani bia na se obi anadwe mu da ho a wode nasem ebekọ eye Aunty Naa show so empo no se wo hwe Aunty Naa show na one more ehwe no hu se obi a why busy wa brabo mu pa betra TV hu ahwe se bi yem krasefo ya e na ye behwe Aunty Naa show ni Aunty Naa ye no mama Yaa Brefo se akakakra entwe yi me enti ma nana Yaa Brefo emresia
yera Yaw Sarpong ne nasema epia bonten ya menum ne kreni ene wo mo eka se me ba na anya ade ya adwen atem didi nka mo amudi atem ne de esemara nipa Aunty Naa I like a lot of things she does. I have my own issues makada say ma hwe ne programmer ohima wama akoda bi a yato no mona. That is very wrong.
Wanya tentene ye
yato no mona nya tentene ye nipa na oto mona ne si hobi na wama akola na hwe papa na ne so. That's wrong. That's abuse, assault. Yes, the thing that the person did and accepted was wrong.
Because that's at that time, no, or you're helpless, yes. But set penny, sina hona crab.
Who penny mu katra kolano, who penny mu katra kolano say, Shinasum, boneniso. That's wrong. That's not media work.
Yes, that's not media work.
Yaw we are fan kasasa. What I say, yaw we kasasa. That's not media work. And no more radio so TV so e did atem no so meti obentene jimi akwai aboa kwase personal like personal now I found him out with three so when it with Jimmy aboa nyansa be na wo no very bad very unethical
yemra Yaa Sarpong the
very bad and wanna make it
okay
Yaa Sarpong the ya okofa ne yere
and then ma
and no okay I would say it is very wrong for me to say so okofa ne yere ma me ne ma ne ba studio or ma studio. They don't come to the studio just like that. They will come and see you first and tell you what the issue is.
Now, my catcher say,
you can deal with it outside with that.
Yes, now what catcher me so, man.
John Dramani Mahama. To be I am Mimi Radio. It is my show.
So the production team should.
It is my show. Said Nanado yere. Said John Mahama yere. Said and they the nimfalumba now
okra no money ade
well I me kura no and I tell you mempla see say me kura bia ba na obeke kan sama fall ho look this thing that Rabbi or Canada ye all the same Bruni say wa Bruni I have issues with it because I feel look the man is a Ghana's president
honorable.
The problem where I felt she was right was where she was threatened. That somebody decided to go and on next year, Senka, Wamu Pendekuno. That one she has a right to talk about it.
Yeah, no, answer.
And no crowd there, Sanya, I know they are no champion, Ebia, Nebia, Messimeka, no, Namia, Mekan, but said describing the man, how an Ebema city, what is a That's very wrong. I said that's very wrong. Upo, o president no. Upo, former president and Maba Webi started so mudin who found a friend papa no. That's very nonsense. Papa won yes.
Yeah.
What I say, if it's about the person's policy and you may be away a friend Juma who that's different. Yaa Sarpong. Our problem or yare or what problem on one man cast or why dream how a generally Area. Every of the banaka and Ukraine. That interview, Akolani Kasai. Before then, not why your interview with Mark Brown 2020. I know what I saw by ya can was it. But ABI fan sound quiet, but Ganamra, when you are bar, Ghana, no if you don't meet and name for a year. You don't need to send any answer to a Busiaphobia. That is what the law states. And Raganamra, Sadet. But the papa say obekwa ko hu abusuafo so di obu abusuafo na wagu no so kama oh eno na bia ma so doesn't mean say bibisa na ye den na yantere nka around that time and
Mama no
vice president akwa papa sika and we bia
bonte. That is where the whole issue
is
coming.
That is where as a journalist you should know something is wrong somewhere. You could deal with it. Yes.
What if she tried and no one
tiasia fane mama ni ko ba foforo.
Papa yi.
Na unim se ba
sebi producer papa yi yare da dem. Ye fa bibia to nche. O ye legend. E wo Ghana ha.
Oh no, we ti wa.
Ti se Nana yate hey. Na so ka se bia ohia John Mahama ye de nasem aba and I say any other personality or access to the person.
Atopabu.
Yes, or access to the person now.
Kwan say o stopping.
I will call if I have access to the person.
Yes, you call
former president papa met me a friend. Now we cry me friend. Asem say obi aba say why we na me friend say yes what nti dia
absolutely childish.
Ye ni bra groma say ebini obi a o hwe obi wa na wo kunu yare ne ntimi ni say time o yare no. Because also later what say na ye na kwa Asabia ansa wo ti no e wo ye na ko asori dem ansa wo ti no where were you when you was not well where were you yes
obusuafo na mpenasem
and then you should know from what happened there obusuafo mpenasem
obusuafo na mpenasem and oboya bonkofo bi kra o che say omo kra na say oni omo tena ase say omo ne keka say
omo should there say there you can't stop it
so omo si there bi and omo say omo papa ni sika
yes
and maybe eno so na omo gina enti na won so what tena ho no man say mo koso what tena ho din an kasa
and papa no problem won adwini mo enti bibi say na bia hono ko ni me so
that is the family issue Nana that is the family issue but for you to who as a journalist now one consider
enka baby o hon ma keso odwin bibi hu mienu
exactly that is the point I'm saying make nipa na yare da ho e no crash shock keke o tese ye body din Yaa Sarpong shock keke
because o bibi koto
and you allow that to happen
or the bibi koto on Twitter
I mean it is highly unacceptable.
Yes, I interview.
So who pushed her? When they push you,
nobody can push her to do that.
Exactly. So one I mean,
nobody can push her. Look, if she felt say my meaning here scar or no, I know what she can do. Come me resist scam mama. Yeah. In fact, obet me resist scam Yaa Sarpong on no dia mama men so fanko. What did you say? See, mama no so na dwe say I like her so much but
tell you akwa a friend say Yaw Sarpong.
I see Yaa Sarpong sit down now. Then no. Yes, on five one now sit down.
You know why? So this completes the fact that the reason why she's coming out is the money.
No, but Nana, and Nana Otiano now can say or command 100,000 bisa say a cash and a check.
Yeah.
So it be crying cash, it be crying a promise. It be crying
cash cry 100,000.
I mean 100,000 there wo ba
say when you have
be use
would you now abon be ya wabo.
E man ka say
na ususu wa what me anya bibia na wa ko tara radio so na bia
na nkola no kra na ahomte
na man kanti fo mi
no nkola kra woni papa ya akọ Mark Brown show so no we UTV e ma papa no kan wo wantumi anka so oboa so no mo ma me agyan
ana me ma me ya o kan sem bi o se ni o wo bajimi fo amre se ni o
tete
yo ohun ade bi on ma wo wadwen ya o se
we na mo horo mo nsem o
exactly u go bana
ena ti wa be kasa wo kra ko twempena wo baabi ene ye che wo che se we wa nkọ kra nka sa asem we mp
me because Yaa Sarpong a legend and the state no woman no ohia yes he needs a total mental state of mind.
It's not gone completely.
It's
not gone completely.
Look at Papa Bishop J do I should well Papa Yarinya no.
Na say mre bi by the din
and this is not the time.
I'm saying this is the third time.
And this is not the time I say what baso ba be play Japan here. Anaba be primi.
Eden na asantifo na kasa yemu.
Edan no onsiwie no ko ogi sika no bi akosi.
Edan no de wo fiefo wo sika do musi bi no.
Me yanka no kore say asantifo yemu bi. Yemu bi. Epre tapade hototo.
Too much.
O papa ti be bi afama.
Too much.
Obi be ma na.
E na o pre tapade ho.
Exactly.
Ya me metu e obi bi e ni ho amepe.
O de.
Aunty Naa we host programs na we dey aginisem. We dey aginisem. Adapa no e drosso dudu. Hey, Macron.